This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the list asset holders in interactive mode. Before you proceed with this tutorial, you should already have learned how this node works, as well as how to create a flow using this node in runtime mode. If you haven't yet completed these tutorials or would like to review, you can access them here. Ready to dive in? Let's begin. Drag a List Asset Holders node into your workspace and double-click it to display its Properties Slideout panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar, then click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of this node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the results to the right side of the workspace. Excellent work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the List Asset Holders node, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn all about the Notification Channel node.